In this video, I will show you how to transfer Wix website to another account. In order to do that, scroll down right here to your left sidebar and click on your settings. Now from in there, you should be able to see in here any settings. So scroll down from in here until you can see this roles and permission from in there. Now from in here, you should be able to see in here your role. As of right now, I'm the only one on this site, but if I want to transfer it to another account, I can click on this change owner option and then just put in here who will be the new site owner. So just put in here the email of that site owner, and then once it's been added, you can head over and then go fill this up. If you would describe it, it can be a client, an agency, or freelancer, or someone else. So if it's someone else, just click on this right here, click on continue, and then you can keep your role as co-owner, or you can create a copy, or you can do none of that. After that, click on continue in order to make sure to transfer the site.